Here we are in a ET 102 Electronics for Engineering Technology class. And here is Victor and Johnny. And we have here what we have the Parallax board, essentially Parallax stamp, with the implementation of the dice. So Victor, can you explain us how it works?
So every time we press a button here, we get a random number generated and displayed. Right now it's displaying a number 1. That's a number 4. That's a number 3. That's a number 2. A number 3 again, number 4, number 3, and so on. It'll keep on generating them.
Can you see the program, so how it works here?
Starting off from here.
So we have first the definition of what is the type of the basic and what is the type of the stamp controller then we have. So we declared global variable random number and dice. Now in our main program, what we do first?
We first clear all the lights off, which is here.
Okay.
And then we go ahead and when the button is pressed, we go off and turn off the lights again, roll the dice, take a quick pause for a quarter of a second, display the dice, take another pause, and then we just loop it. This is given that the button is kept pressed.
Okay, and those commands for actually subroutines for lights off and roll the dice, you define them here?
Yes. Lights off, here it is. Every one of my LEDs is low, which is turned off. When I roll the dice, it'll generate a random number limited to 6. And to display the dice, here we have more subroutines which are defined down here.
Okay, so for each number you define the subroutine.
Yes.
And it looks like it works perfectly. Can you tell us about the resistors which are here and how you implement this circuit?
We are using here the 220 resistors to power the LEDs, which are grounded by these wires over here. Then our button is wired through this resistor here, which I believe is 470. And then we have another resistor here, which I am not sure, but it might be a 220 or 250.
Okay, excellent. And when you press the button, it do exactly.
And if you hold it, it'll keep on doing it.
With the pause that you put in that's inside the do loop.
Yes.
Great work. This is an A for this exercise.